Hello, my name's Mike Zimmer. My partner and I were recently approached to take a leadership role in a company called Unity Telehealth. We took a look at the services, the opportunity, as well as the unmatched timing, and literally jumped at the opportunity to be among the first to offer these services to the world. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to share the benefits of becoming a Unity Telehealth member or partner, and why the benefits far outweigh the small monthly fee, and why our services will dramatically change the way you use healthcare forever. When I first moved to the Sunshine State, I already knew a doctor, but he told me he was no longer practicing medicine from a traditional office. To stay profitable, he would have to transition to an annual per patient fee, which is better known as Concierge Medicine. His annual fee was going to be $3,500 per patient up front. I would be one of about 1,000 patients, which would assure same-day access to the doctor under most circumstances. I had just relocated and couldn't afford that type of outlay, so I passed. But what if I could have access to a doctor within minutes without spending thousands of dollars per year? Unity Telehealth is just that solution. Access to a doctor within minutes. Let's go on because there's more. Most of us know someone that's had an unexpected emergency room visit and ended up with a prescription and a bill for $2,000 or $3,000 and no way to pay it. They ended up in collections and their credit was ruined for years. With Unity Telehealth, our monthly fee provides unlimited access to a healthcare provider. Our active members will never be asked to pay additional fees, co-pays, or deductibles to connect with a licensed doctor as many times as needed. On the screen are the typical conditions a Unity Telehealth doctor would handle. They are licensed physicians and can assist in approximately 90% of medical events that people would typically visit an emergency room or urgent care. And our physicians are available to handle your health conditions 24/7, 365. If telehealth was all we offered, we would be among the top healthcare providers in the world. But for only $40 a month, Unity Telehealth also provides access to dermatologists, specialists who can provide second opinions, and for those with healthcare insurance, benefits consultants. So there won't be an unexpected bill because you were prescribed a diagnostic or surgical procedure that isn't covered by your policy and hidden somewhere in the fine print. Please visit our website for information about our other offerings, including behavioral health and televeterinarians for our furry family members. I said in the beginning, my partner and I jumped at this opportunity because of what this service is offering for our family. All the benefits of a concierge doctor for a fraction of the price. We would happily share Unity Telehealth with all of our friends and family for free. It's hard to believe we are already earning a replacement income just sharing the benefits of having a doctor on call 24 hours a day, including weekends and holidays. You should have received a website link that will allow you to receive more information and a way to enroll as a member or partner. Now is the time to become a member before you end up with an unplanned health event. Don't delay. Make sure you have that link and you enroll today.